What's up, everybody? Today, we'll be checking out the new Subway update for the first time in Animal Company.
Yippee!
Yippee!
Alright, let's go do this.
Yep.
Oh.
So Mason, I bought a couple new things. Come here. Eat these. Got those.
Oh, I already had these.
Yeah. All right. Well, we really only need. Let's just gear up because I don't know what we're gonna need. So.
Gear up for a Subway, bro?
I don't know what we're gonna need is the thing, so I don't want to become unprepared, you know.
Yeah. You're right.
Don't fart.
Can I have a piece of goop? Can I have 2 pieces of goop?
Yeah, I got you. Here. One. Oh. One. And Kobe, number 2. Okay. I'm actually gonna build cooldown. I purchased 5 of them, buddy. Alright, let's go. Actually, I'm gonna grab a gun just in case. Actually, I'll be right back. No, my beans ran out. Not right now. It's gonna be in a minute. What are you listening to? Oh, toys. Oh. I've been wanting this for a while. Mason! Look what I got.
Oh, can I tell you something?
What?
I got this. Mine's better.
Oh, okay. Yep. Alright, well, I guess we should go check it out, I guess.
Okay. How do you do the fart thing?
You jump in the air.
Oh, I just chucked my... Huh? What do you do?
Jump in the air and swing your arms. I think yours ran out, though.
Go.
Yeah, yours ran out.
Oh, yeah, it's working. It's working.
Oh, what is this?
Ow!
Key card? You ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1. 3. Maintenance. I called it. Yo! Hop on, Mason. Yo! This looks sick.
Yo, emergency brake.
Don't pull that. If you pull that, we won't go anywhere. I'm looking out the window. What? You stuck? Pull really hard. Yeah.
Hey.
Is it supposed to go somewhere? Are you sure that's the emergency brake, or is that how we go?
Test it out.
Oh, we're supposed to pull that. Oh, my controller died.
Oh God.
No! No!
Become Spider-Man.
My controller's dead. Well, I guess we're gonna have to play like this. We're flying. Ah! No! What? Oh, heck no, gang. What are you? That's gonna explode.
No, the train, no! The train left.
It's fine. We can just...
I'm not shooting, bro. What's this? Oh, wait, just jump over it. Ah!
think it's shooting at you.
Jump over it and run. Jump over it and run with me. What the?
What just killed me?
I don't know, but I killed whatever killed you, okay? There's a huge eyeball.
What the heck? No!
Oh god.
Hopefully there's nothing I have to use 2 hands for because my one controller's dead.
Okay, so you know that big red thing that was up there? It became an eyeball and shot at you, so I killed it.
I see it.
Yeah, let's go down. Let's go. Oh shoot, landmine.
Jump over it.
Kobe.
You good? Push the door open. Grab the handle and grab the handle. What the frick? Are we not supposed to go down here or something? Are we supposed to jump down? So confused. We have no experience with this. Why is my gun stuck in the ground? Are you saying we're supposed to jump down?
Honestly, no, but I don't see anything.
Come over here. I don't know if we're supposed to do. You just wanna see what happens? We can come back.
Wait, watch this.
Oh.
Oh, you die.
Well, we. Alright, now we kind of. Oh, we respawn here. Okay.
Oh.
We don't have a key
Is there
card.
a shop? Oh yeah, there's a shop, there's a shop, there's a shop.
Oh. We don't have a key card though.
To get back? It's okay.
Is there a way to get like a key card to go?
Oh my! Jackson?
I can't reach it. Well, I can't reach it. This sucks. Okay. Now, how are we supposed to do it? Oh, we're already here, Mason.
I told you.
Oh. Lauren, could you please see if you can find me a... Please? Oh no. Almost fell down in the deep dark. I'm gonna grab a weapon just in case.
Oh, we need weapons, bro.
I'm just gonna grab an axe. I don't really need a gun. Okay, ready? Right here, Mason. Wait. That just goes down into the abyss. What the heck? Why is it not loaded? Open. Let's just go through the regular way. Let's see if we can figure it out.
Wait, Jackson.
What?
Do you think we go down that way?
No, I don't think you can. Like, it's just gonna bring you back to where we were, Mason.
Oh yeah, true. Okay, I guess we can try it, bro.
I don't know. Do not hit that thing, by the way. Jump over you. Oh, we're supposed to go in here.
I didn't even see that. What?
Oh, heck no. It's so hard for me because I don't have an left control. Jeez.
Oh god.
Don't die, don't die. Ouch. Can you break it? Can you break this? I killed it. It's still shooting at me though. Wait for it to go up there and revive me. Hurry, hurry, hurry. No! They said no!
Swim to our bodies. Swim to our bodies.
Well, at least we know where to go. Respawn. There you are.
Just go get her stuff, I think. Just go get her stuff.
I just want to go get our stuff.
I'm gonna take a flashlight though.
Watch this. You ain't never seen this before. Doosh. Mason.
I survived.
No, about just died. My hand.
Oh my god, I'm so good.
What's up, bro? Can I grab you? Oh my god. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. Oh!
Yo!
This thing's annoying, bro.
Wait, I got you. Oh my god, I'm the best.
You're
I'm
dead.
the best. Nope.
No!
How is it reaching me?
This thing's so annoying. This thing's actually kind of annoying.
No, just buy new stuff, just buy new stuff.
No, because we need to pass it anyway. You stop it. It's aiming. It's a bitch. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
Yeah, I made it.
Wait for it to shut off.
No!
Mason!
I'm so good. I am so good.
Oh,
Eat my plunger, boy. No.
I didn't grab it. I did it. I did it. I did it.
I don't have anything.
It's fine. I'll be your light.
It's alright. It's okay. Wait.
This way? Oh my god.
Bro.
No! 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 I died.
Jackson! Should I jump down?
No. I mean, I don't care, but I don't care. I can't reach it. I can't reach it. Oh my god. Playing this game is really hard without a controller. There. Mason, where are you? Oh, you're alive? I'm just about to run. Jeez. I made it. I made it.
Hello?
I'm coming.
Can you hear me? Yay. Yeah.
They're here.
Watch out, watch out, watch out.
Oh, there's another one of these things. How did they not just see me? Up here, up here, up here. Don't see me. Yeah, you can come up here. Yeah. Wait, right here. Ah! There's another one. I repeat, there's another one. There's another one right here.
Where do we go?
Please watch out.
Where do we go?
Not where we meant to go in here. We're supposed to open this.
I'm there. We're supposed to go this way.
This way. There's nothing over here. So confused.
It's the only one with the light. That means we're
Wait, come up
supposed
here,
to
come
go
up
there.
here. We have to go back to this. You want to keep going this way?
Gotta go over there.
Yeah. I see where I need to go.
No, no.
I'm okay. Well,
I died.
I died too.
Oh, you died too?
Yeah.
Oh.
Well,
Lucky.
this is a hard thing, bro. Why is it so hard? I really don't think it should be this hard, game. Oh my god, I don't have a second arm.
You like my backpack?
Yeah, this makes it 10 times harder. Mason, you know how hard. Now, let me grab an axe because I don't want. Shoot. Ready? Cool. How is it shooting me? I'm almost dead. Oh my god, this one's a oh no.
Skibbity. Skibbity. Skibbity.
No! 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 Oh my god!
Oh my god.
I'm at 1 HP. You wanna let me regen real quick?
Yeah.
Not regenning that quick. Oh my god. Well,
I'm stuck.
we made it this far. At least you have two.
Oh god. Oh god. Oh god.
Do you just fall? Mason? Mason?
I'm coming back.
I'm here.
Oh.
Loki, I don't even need that backpack.
I know, you just need a plunger.
I have a flashlight. I can only hold a flashlight, so you have to defend for me. I can only hold a flashlight, so you're gonna have to defend. Hey, I can't believe I didn't get shot that time.
Ow!
I died. Wait for me! Just wait for me. Hi.
Hola.
Okay. 3, 2, 1, go! 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 Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Mason! I'll wait for you up here.
Bro, I can't do this, Jackson.
I'll wait for you. I'll wait for you.
Jackson, I'm dead.
I know, I'll wait for you.
Jackson.
I know, I'll wait for you.
I can't respawn. What is happening?
Did you respawn?
Yeah.
Come on. Oh, I'm stuck. Help me.
good.
Oh, never mind. I'm not stuck anymore.
Dick. Evan. See?
Keep going this way. Up these stairs. Bro, it's just so hard not using my one controller. Because, like, to play Animal Company, you really need 2 controllers now. Let's be for real. Did we get past this?
Monkey! No, we didn't.
Monkey! No! Oh, yes, we did.
Hey, I got your stuff. I got your stuff. Jackson.
Nice. You ready?
I'm alive. I'm alive. I'm alive. I'm safe.
What? Well, I'm dead.
I'm coming. I'm coming. No!
Well, I died. We might not get it on this video. We might have to make another video at some point.
Alright.
This is our last attempt. Mason.
I survived. I survived.
Where you go?
I'm alive. Oh god.
Why is it sitting like that now? I made it. Never mind. I did make it. Holy cow. I thought I failed. I thought I failed. Oh, it's so Mason. Jeez.
No! Dude, I saved myself so many times in this video, bro.
Stop,
Holy.
just go the easy route. Don't like do any shortcuts or. Nope, we gotta keep going this way. Okay, don't die here, okay? Jeez, bro.
I made it.
Yo, we haven't made it to here yet.
What
Mason, I'm
the?
about to fall. I'm about to fall! You're actually joking. We're gonna have to redo that. Here, actually. Respawn, Mason, die. Yeah, you have to die. Hold on. Just die. Yo, let's head back. What the?
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Come on.
What is up? I'm gonna stand on top. I'm joking. Let me pull it. So guys,
This music's fire.
this wasn't really a successful video, but we tried.
We'll
We tried to
We'll
do it,
100% make a part
we
2 from this.
couldn't. Yeah.
When I have 2
Hey,
controllers.
Mods, put a death counter on the screen. Bro.
Yeah, for
Yo.
real. Editor, put a death mod on.
I don't know what you mean, bro. I'm doing pull-ups. Oh, I can't do it anymore.
Big ghosties watching you. That's not scary at all.
Okay.
Well, we'll go back to the mirror.
I won't.
Well,
Ollie Bear? Is that my Ollie Bear? Yeah, just in time to end the video because I have to watch my dog now, so. Yes.
yeah. So yeah, well, that wasn't a bad. We got closer to the end. We got closer to the. We made it the farthest we've ever made it.
And then he became Gwen Stacy and fell down like this.
Yeah, and Spider-Man or Andrew saved me, so I just
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll do a part 2 of us completing it. Definitely. Because if we don't complete that next time, we're gonna have part 3, or we can just combine those 3 videos and make a big movie of it. Okay, well, if you guys have a great video, like, subscribe, work out like me so your muscles pop out like mine. And
And mine. And mine.
Yay.
Oh.
if you guys had a great video, like, subscribe, and peace. Peace.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn those post notifications on.